Miss ko siya.
Talaga po? Eh bakit po nung kayo pa parang lagi po kayong stress tuwing uuwi kayo? Hindi po kayo nangiti. Terror po kayo, ganun. Tapos nung wala na po kayo, parang mas kumalma po kayo, mas chill.
Masyado kasi kami bata nag-asawa eh. Kaya ikaw, ako, huwag kang mag-asawa agad-agad ha. Saka yung magpadalos-dalos sa pakikipagrelasyon ay stress lang yun. Mangyayari sa'yo, imbis na magtrabaho ka, kung ano-ano lang gagawin mo. Tingin-tingin lang sa social media, tapos iyak-iyak lang naman pag nakita mo siya.
Umiyak po ba kayo, sir?
Hindi ha. Example lang yun.
Talaga po, sir? Hindi po kayo...
Eh, ako iiyak.
Okay po. Una na po ako, sir, ah.
Eh,
You know, your parents just left.
I know.
Nag-usap na kami. I got the interview I wanted. You have nothing to worry about anymore.
I don't care kung anong pinag-usapan niyo ng dad ko. I'm not here because of my family. I'm here for Sec Kim.
That's right. The slave driver boss.
Who happens to care about her. Unlike you. Tinuring kanyang kaibigan.
Look, never ko naman naging intention na madamay si Kim dito.
Well, that's what happened. Nag-panic attack si Sec Kim dahil sa guilt over what happened sa IDX.
Sorry to hear about that.
Well, you will be kapag naulit-ulit yun.
I had no idea na you're that protective over your staff.
She's not just my staff. She's my girlfriend. And I want you to stop using her for your own ambition. Kanina ka pa ba naghihintay?
Hindi naman. Okay lang. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Boss, ang daming tao. Tara. Ano pong recommendations niyo dito?
Our bestsellers po are Patagonian toothfish, grilled Tasmanian salmon, and mushroom risotto.
Ribeye steak for my girlfriend, medium.
Grilled salmon for my boss. Or my boyfriend.
Thank you. So, do you have a problem with calling me your boyfriend?
Wala naman, boss. Wala naman, friend.
You see? Hindi naman mahirap sabihin, di ba? So habang wala pa tayong tawagan, just call me by my first name.
At kapag wala tayo sa opisina.
Sa office,
Sa office, edi... boss.
copy po.
Very good.
What's wrong, anak?
Followed your advice, Mom. Apparently, my boyfriend na si Secretary Kim.
She does? Sino?
Mom, how did your meeting with the reporter go?
It was okay. I don't agree with Robert's decision, but I get where he's coming from. Sana lang talaga sumunod yung Troy na yun sa usapan na hindi na siya mag-iimbestiga. I just want that part of our lives to be over. Ayoko na maungkot yung mga pangyayaring yun.